Hey man, give me 70 Realino.
Okay, sir, this will change. 70 Realino. Here you are.
Okay, I give you.
How come I gave you 70 Realino?
It doesn't matter. I give you, you give me. At last, it's a 70 Realino.
Hello guys, are you feeling good? I hope so. Our lesson today is about absolute value. And our objective is to use absolute value in real world situations. When we studied integers before, we talked about opposites. And we defined opposites as two numbers on the same distance from zero, but in different sides or different directions. The distance from zero, we call it absolute value. And we denote absolute value by this sign. So if you have this sign, you can read it as absolute value of x, and it means the distance from 0 to x on number line. For example, absolute value of 5 is 5, as it's 5 units away from 0. And absolute value of negative 5 is 5 as well, as it's also 5 units away from 0, but in another direction. So absolute values of opposites are the same. Notice that absolute value of 0 is 0 itself. Absolute value always positive. That's why, because absolute value is a distance from 0 and distance always positive. By the same way, we can find any absolute value. Like absolute value of 4 is 4. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Absolute value of 2 thirds is 2 thirds. Absolute value of negative zero point 0.5 is zero point 0.5. Absolute value of 9 is 9, and the absolute value of negative 15 is 15. Absolute value always positive. Why? Because it's distance. I hope you understood the lesson. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe the channel. See you.